Ano po ngayon, gabi na, mag-11 o'clock po. Ito po yung kadalasan ginagawa namin. Ito po yung bonding moment namin mga magkakaibigan. Ito po, panoorin niyo sila. Ayan po si John Ray.
Bali tatlo yung ulo niya.
Ba? Bali, ito po. Umiinom po ako ng gatas. Nakikita niyo. Yan, ito po si Eric. Rick, kaway.
Ay!
Ay, bali papasok tayo sa kwarto nila. Ito po. Peanut butter. Gusto mo? Pagkain ko po yan sa gabi. Yan po ginagawa nila. Tall geese. Para po yan kay Koy. As in John Ray. Kay Eric naman.
Gumagawa si Tall Gay.
Ang pero daw ang sabi ni Eric, favorite niya rin daw tall gaze. Tall gaze daw favorite niya eh.
Yung favorite ng food na? Bicol?
Tsaka favorite niyang food dish Bicol Express.
Hindi nga dyan.
At tsaka
eh.
ang favorite niyang bigas, hindi NFA rice, Bigas Bigas. Dahil siya ay by ano dyan Ray?
Next one.
Oh. Yan po, yung makikita nyo po, ito po ang nabuo nila.
Wala pa din.
Man.
Wala pa din.
Yeah. Oh, show me some kick, man. Show me some kick. Some kick.
Kick your ass, man.
Give me some kick, man.
King.
Yeah.
Kick, man.
Yeah. Ang makikita nyo po, si Eric Pulat gumawa niyan. Bali po kanina kasi, inabutan ko si John Ray. Nabutan ko yan eh. Shoulder lang yung nagawa. Pero nung dumating si Eric, nabuo na lahat eh.
Ako pa ayon. Igay mo na
Yan po. Ito po yung TV namin. As you can see, it is colored black. But by the way, it is
It's my color.
It's my color, yes. We will open it, man. Then you can see, man. Oh, okay. Oh, where's the people? Oh, yo, then you can see. Oh, you see? We have a TV, man. Okay, that's an app, man. That's an app. Okay. We're here again at our room. You want to see the cribs? You want to see the cribs, huh? You want to see the cribs? Oh, this is the cribs, man. Cribs.
You want this water dispenser, bitch?
Oh, water dispenser, huh? Clear drops, man. Clear drops. Just push it, man. Just push it here. Then it
I'll
will.
show you my stuff now.
Okay. This is the stuff of John Ray.
So many foods there.
Oh shit! Oh shit, man. Oh, there's a knife. Oh, there's a
knife.
You have this,
Jelly swirl?
Jelly swirl, man. Jelly swirl, huh? Show me some cribs, man. Show me some cribs. Oh shit, man. Mega mask, man. I'll put some more, man. Show me some more. Oh man. Oh yeah, that's good, man.
Imported na.
Oh, I see. It's made in Philippines, huh?
Tuna.
Flakes and all, yes.
Flakes na.
I'll put some more, man.
Fuck yeah.
I'll put some goods, some accessories, man.
I have this.
Oh, that's the
Rolex
brand.
na.
Oh shit!
50,000.
Oh man!
Dollars.
Oh shit! Woo! How about that? Gillette. Oh, I think it's a brush, man. How about the other one, man? How about the other one? You can see it upstairs, man. Upstairs.
Corn beef.
It's a corn beef. You know, if you want the corn beef, Richard, just don't do it. You have to.
You want corn beef, Richard?
You have to buy it pork beef, huh? No, not just a corn beef.
You want to see the
What?
stuff of AJ?
Stop. Oh,
AJ.
okay.
Our doormate.
By the way, AJ, you know AJ? AJ is a fat man, like Richard, man. Okay, let's see the stuff.
Uy, baka dumating si AJ.
Tol,
may nakalimutan ako, tol.
This is the bag of AJ.
Red bag, man.
One of the Chard's friends, because he looked like it.
Take charge, You want to smell? I want to smell. It smells bad! What's a man? Smell fat.
Let's see,
The
so
mist-
many plastic, huh?
so
So many
many-
plastic. You want to
It
buy
look
some
like
plastic
the
trash, man? It look like.
What is this?
What's the beauty? Whoa!
Where's your juice? Where's your juice?
Oh,
From
shit.
AJ?
Oh, by the way, wait. I will drink my milk. Delicious. Okay. By the way, let's stop it. This is game over.